Are you tired of looking like a banana when you handstand? Don't worry, I got you fam. This is how a solid handstand looks like. Straight line from your toes to your hands. Now let's talk hand placement. Spread your fingers and tiger claw the ground. Onto the wrists. Strengthen them by lifting your palms towards your index finger. The further your legs move away from your hands, the harder all these moves will be. Do the same now, but lift all the way onto your fingertips for more finger strength. It is important when we are training to avoid injuries, therefore we strengthen both sides of the wrist, so do these wrist rolls as well. Now for shoulder strength. Start on the knees, remember straight elbows, no bend, and then you move out to a full push-up position. Next we have the almost handstand shrugs. Do these until you can do it in a full handstand against the wall. Squeeze your rib cage and hip together for a solid form. Your hands should not be able to slide under your lower back. The further your limbs are from each other, the harder the core exercises will be. Kicking up in a handstand should be done with straight arms, one leg at a time. Going down is also one leg at a time to make it softer. 2 legs is heavy, so don't land like that. Remember the strong core, don't let your butt fall out. This is how you get up while facing the wall. Squeeze your butt and heel together. Going down is 1 foot at a time again. You can try touching the wall with your nose. This is the ultimate finger test. You should be able to move your heels away from the wall only using your finger strength. Now you're ready to play with the freestanding handstand. No more banana handstands for you, my friend. Have a nice day. Bye!